Standing between Chiefs, standing between 𝐊𝐚𝐢𝐳𝐞𝐫 and an opener in this Nedbank Cup final is one man only, 𝐊𝐚𝐢𝐳𝐞𝐫. But here goes 𝐊𝐚𝐢𝐳𝐞𝐫! Fires 𝐒𝐫𝐿𝐲𝐶 into the lead. The underdogs have snatched the lead in this Soweto derby Nedbank Cup final. And that is Gaston Sirino's golden moment in the gold and black of Kaizer Chiefs. Nasreddine Nabi can take a breath. The 𝐒𝐫𝐿𝐲𝐶 faithful are losing their minds. They are absolutely ecstatic. 𝐂𝐡𝐢𝐳𝐞𝐫, what an electric start.
Yabela Moses Mabela Motueto Hotere bana ba Israele dingwaga di le sekete go goroga kwa kanana kwa lefatsheng la mashile dinotsi go tlatsa Kaizer Chiefs metsotso e le mekae go goroga kwa lefatsheng la mashile dinotsi jaaka o bona thego ya penalty Gaston Sirino ha e tsaya ba mo letloweng Chiefs ba tsa ketapele a re bone rele mo 𝐏𝐢𝐫𝐚𝐬 a re bone rele Dion ke bangwa go tswang ka 𝐏𝐢𝐫𝐚𝐬 Dion a ba robela kwa koteng e kgakala tula ka tlhogo It is evident that evidence Makupa ga ba tle go bona Kaizer Chiefs Ono sanno ya go lekalekanya a bo go tsoga musika kwa botlhaba o dira jalo fela jaaka dira mo pekeng ya fetileng ka fa go lone letlhakore lonele ono sanno evidence Makupa ba re o ya memeza o Hezekia go thimo thambo hlanganane ga bo go nna fela jalo 𝐿𝐶𝐢𝐿 the hottest one in the land Dion Otto a romela go teng ya kgakala ya kopana le evidence Makupa 𝐿𝐶𝐢𝐿 Makupa a ikgopela mo letloweng
Mduduzi, Shabalala, Ashley du Preez, onside. The attack has lost its sting, but it could fall now! Yusuf Mart with a captain's goal, with a heaven-sent goal. The sleeping giant have come alive. 𝐒𝐫𝐿𝐲𝐶 are alive. Now they can believe. They have taken the lead yet again. Yusuf Mart with the best goal in his Kaizer Chiefs career, with the goal of his dreams. I thought the attack lost its sting. I thought Orlando Pirates might have had it covered. But oh no, Yusuf Mart scores an absolute golden goal for the Glamour Boys. Mduduzi Shabalala took his time. Ashley du Preez kept his head and stayed onside. And Shabalala left it for Yusuf Mart, who struck it ever so well. From Soweto to Durban, that goal has shook the country. And look at that reaction.